sensibility, and practicality define the 2014 Ford Focus. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 6-speed automatic transmission. Ford prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, and remote keyless entry. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.